Hello my dear learners on the internet. Today we are going to add some UI staffs to the app in our operating system in browser. This is part 4. If you missed previous parts, full playlist link in the description box only for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to get the next part soon. Without any further delay, let's start our today's video. As of now, any of our apps doesn't have any UI content. So we are going to add some UI elements to our File Manager app today. All of our apps will have different directories and every app will be independent without requiring any other app. So, let's create a directory named apps where all of our apps will be placed. Each app will be placed in different directory. Their directory name will be the app's ID that we passed in our JavaScript file while creating each app. In each directory there will be an HTML file as the app's id.html. This is the basic requirement for any of our app. I am creating directories and HTML files for each of our app. Apps creating is done. Now let's write some HTML in the File Manager app as we are going to write UI element in File Manager app today. But it will not show the HTML content inside the File Manager app yet. To do that, we need to go to our main index.html file. We have to change this div element to an iframe element. Now in our script.javascript file we need to do some modifications. We already took our iframe in a variable named appMain. Now select this appMain and set its source file as the HTML file of the app we are creating. As expected, it is showing that HTML content inside of our File Manager app. We can add any CSS or JavaScript files in our app. It will work fine. So I am adding font awesome CDN and also new custom CSS file along with a custom JavaScript file. So, now let's add some basic HTML elements quickly. I am fast forwarding the video for now. Basically, we are adding a header, a sidebar, a content section, and at last we are adding an floating action button. The HTML is completed. Now we need to give stylings to this file. So, let's go to our File Manager app's CSS file. I am giving some basic and responsive styling to the elements. So, let's fast forward the video again. After some frustrating stylings, it is looking quite good now. So, we are shutting down our own operating system today and hoping to add some stuffs in our System Info app in the next part. Subscribe the channel now to get part 5. 97% of you guys don't subscribe the channel, which is really very frustrating. If you learned something new, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and families. If you have any suggestion or idea, the comment box is always open for you.